Okay, it's Monday, the 10th of July, and I don't know how long I'm gonna keep doing this, but I know right now we're doing it's one that I talked about it Friday. I'm gonna talk about it again because I think it's the winner again. Tesla is going backwards a little bit, but you got to understand what they're doing. Somebody shortened Tesla, but Tesla is a fighter and it's gonna stay. I'm gonna stay with I bought more of them because I know they just raised they raised the price again on Tesla to two something 50 or 60 or whatever the price was. They gave it like 50 more points. And then Kentucky came out and said they Tesla going to be the standard for the plugs. And then Tesla is also in the news again on something else. So I'm just going to let Tesla be Tesla, but I'm looking at these other ones now. So I'm going to share my screen because I don't have that long. I'm going to share my screen because I like TTOO again because they had some, you know, you got to understand what's going on with this one. Okay, so this one, do revenue, trading, good value, but I'm gonna go to my what we call my watch list, and so TTOO, I think is down to the bottom. Here it is. It looked like it's going down, right? But let's look at it. It's been last few days like 62% up. It was 12 cents on Friday when it closed. They said around 12 cents, but we're going to look at it today. They had some, like I say, that guy came in, like I told you let's go back to the portfolio, home. Okay. And then let's look at TTO. Look at it now. It's trading good value, but this is what I want. This guy came in Friday and he bought look at that, he bought some purchases of 1,000 series or whatever shares for $100 per share for gross proceeds of like a million whatever July 5th. But this guy came in and I think he bought like 48,000 shares, this new gross investment partner and all this other good stuff. So these guys are starting to buy this. So you have to, you can read this yourself. Has been entered into a security purchase agreement with this group. Okay. At $1 million in funding for CR, this group. He bought like 40, they say 40, that's his Friday. Okay. So we gonna see this one, it's haven't been doing nothing lately. So TTO is at the bottom, is at the bottom of the food chain, like it's doing nothing. This is when you want to get into this one right here. Future growth is still not doing anything. It's losing money. They reverse split back in October. I did my little homework. I said, okay, that's good. It's got a lot of debt. It's got a lot of debt because they have to sell off the equity. They got some cash now and no dividends. And you can see, let's look at these guys. This guy's making $1 million who owns them. A CEO. They got experienced management. You see all these guys are on them, hedge funds. You can see the folks that's on them right now. These are guys who, they'll go Vanguard and they'll go BlackRock. Vanguard trying to sell some of them. You can see this guy coming in, he buying a lot. This one buying, increasing his shares. I got 20,000 of them shares, so I would be up here somewhere. My business got 20. I got 20,000 shares of this, just to see what they're gonna do. So let's share one more time. I want you to look at this one too. LLAP. Okay, this one right here. This is trading 94% below its estimated value. Earnings expected growth 70%. This is the space one. They got a contract 2.3 with NASA, $1 billion. So right now it's at 160. I think I bought it 120 something. We'll see when we get on there. Last 4 days is haven't been doing. The is starting to perk up, and you can see it's a lot. They are right here, the food chain number 3. They should be about $30. I got 1,000 of them. So if they do go to $30, they undervalue. They go $30, I make 30,000 or 20,000, whatever the number is. Future growth looking good. They're green. Okay. Past performance haven't been too well. Financial health. They same as the others, because Lockheed got 100 million. I think Lockheed and Lockheed is locked into this one. I believe this is the one. Lockheed is locked into. I think they put like $100 million on these guys. We'll see when we get down. CEO is making $7 million a year, so he's based on what he's doing. These guys been selling out. This guy's coming and sell, so you can see who's selling. Okay. You see institutions own a lot. General public on 28. Lockheed, Lockheed came in and bought about 13 million shares, I believe, for $21 million. Then you got Beach Point. They sold some, but you got a lot more people on this one. Vanguard increased their shares. BlackRock increased their shares. Only got 5-10 million on them, but that's okay. These guys came in and bought like 700. Merrill Lynch. So they bullish. All these guys coming in. So this is institutions, individual insiders, public companies, hedge funds, private companies on this one. This is the space one. And they just did a, so I got to get out of here so we can get back and see what's going on, because I went into some things. So I go through it quickly. But you can see this one right here, I'm kind of this one is doing, pretty good. Okay. I want you to really take some note in this one. And this one, hey, they had a rocketing torrent growth of bracing for 0. That was July 2nd. So that's why they've been going up. This one right here is it's a good mention. And I'm gonna let you see so you can go in and read it later and see what that means. That's why it's been going up. So let's reshare our screen. Let's go to a new screen. Let's go to what we're doing in the market right now. Okay, this is my right now. This one is my personal account. I started with this one because you can see where with TTO I got 6 cents and it's down to 16 cents now. Okay, I got 3,000 of them, but I got really 20,000 overall or more for this one right here. This one right here, I just went in and got. This one is another good one. This is dealing with drones. Big, I picked that one up, but I'm gonna get rid of Big. I just want to see what they do. If I can get rid of it right now. Okay. I just wanted to see what they can do. They doing, and they still struggling. So I'm gonna get rid of them. Okay. So I took this one to take substitute it. Right now, Apple is struggling a little bit too, but I'm gonna keep Apple on this bench. LLP, see, it's up to 176. I bought it. I bought it 1,000 of them. So at 131. Okay. Got 500 of these. These are not doing well. They're doing as well as they can. So TTO, again, this one I brought in too. So I'm gonna see what that one's gonna do. I'm gonna leave this mob. This is like a mobility one. So you can see I'm still making a little bit of money because of this TTO. It's up to 16 cents now. I bought it at 6 cents. It's up to 16 cents. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's got 200, half a bit. It's got 250 million people on it. The volume is right. Okay, let's go to my business account. Okay, the business account, the same. TTO is showing I got 3,000 again over here, 6 cents. It's up to 16 cents. Okay. So this is the one, it's Tesla's struggling again. So Tesla's the one that's, is the one that's pulling on this one. If Tesla was to go to 270 or 2 whatever, it's going to make that a green. So I leave that one alone. You got the Alzheimer's one going to $3 now. AUR is doing what it's supposed to do. AUDD is starting to heat up. This is the AI one. And the rest of these are just, General Motors is pulling, doing what it's supposed to do. But General Motors is supposed to be higher than, $36. Will be about $60, $70 a share. This one is 25 now, 3,000. That's when I pulled out. Now it's starting to pull. I think I got about 10,000 of this one right here overall. So I'll probably get some more of these if it stabilizes. Index is still trying to do something. I can always take that out because that's not, it's only 7 cents and it's up to 9 cents. LE, okay. So let's look at one. I got about 3 minutes. Let's look at our margin account. Okay, our margin. The margin account. I call this my giant credit card. I got a lot of money. I got about valued at $27,000 on this one. And you can see this one is at 6, I went back in and bought 4,000 last time on Friday. And you can see it made me over $1,000 so far. I can snatch this out. We're going to look at all of them together. So far I got like 20,000 of this one right here at about 7 cents. Right now it's 16 cents. So this is the winner again today, folks. Tesla's not doing anything right now, but I went back, I bought 20 at $2.66. So it's still, Tesla's still making me money over in my margin account. AT&T, this is the AI voice, like the chat, you talk in your car. So I bought 300 of them at now it's 377. This one right here, reverse split on me because I hit about 3,000. So it reverse split, 1 and whatever, reverse split. So it's doing pretty good. So I'm going to leave it. See what it's going to do. If it start going down, I'm going to go ahead and take it out. But right now it's 379. The reverse split gave me like a $4. But I got, its leases gave me 300 of them. So let's see what it does. Hopefully it's going to fly up. This one was about 30 cents or something like whatever it was. And I bought into it. So this one will not do what the HGL won't do that. And hopefully this TTO one won't do a reverse split. Reverse split, I said I just go ahead and take it out because I still have some money on it. It's up 100% net gain, 100% so far, because like I say, I started with 6 cents and I bought 4,000 on Friday. It's about 59. So let's look at all of them together. You can see Apple is not doing good today, but Amazon is trying to come back at 127. And then you got Ford is pretty good. And this one, I bought this one. And I'm going to see what it does, or I'm going to let it ride for a week. This is that glue. They got a contract over in the country, a good contract. This one was about a couple of dollars, and now it's up. It's going fast, but I bought too high. But we'll see, because people said it's got a lot of running in that one. This one is doing what it's supposed to do. It's up to 25. I bought it at 22. So let's look at all of them together. Because it's 4 o'clock. So you can see 4 o'clock, I made about another 1,000. I'm up to 64,000. And let's look at all of Apple is down. This is the Alzheimer's one. I got 300 shares in it. So if it goes up, if it does something, we're going to see. This one is doing pretty good. Let's see what it does after hours and see if it continues on. Amazon, it's trying to fight back. AUR, you know, it's doing pretty. This is after hours now. You can see all of them. The ones I want to point out real quickly is this one right here. It's 25 now. So I got 6,000 of them. I hit like 24, 30,000 of them. I took it out so I could put my money elsewhere. But I'm trying to wait till this one stabilizes because this one dropped back down to 24. And I'm trying to wait till this one stabilizes a little bit more so I can put some more into it. Index, that electric vehicle, we'll see it still got some money on it. Look at LLAP, you know, 131, it's up to 400 now. Okay. So it's got 1,000 of them. So they're supposed to be 30, they're supposed to be $30 a share. LL got Joby. Joby is, I bought at 9, I got 100 of them, and it's got, you know, maybe $96. But these are the ones you want to still keep around. This is the lithium one. This one I bought today. Okay. So it's not really doing anything yet. But let's see what happens. They went up fast. Let's see if they don't, I just take them out Friday. I always give them about a week to. I got Neo. Neo is starting to, let's see if it heats up like Tesla, since Tesla, that's Chinese stock. So if Tesla start, you know, they China might start buying Neos instead of Tesla. So I want to hedge my bet on this one. This one is doing pretty good. You know, you got the okay, SAVA, that's the all-timers one. It's not, well, we'll see what it's gonna do, you know. This one right, Space. Remember, I got that. This is a bargain. This is commercial, the commercial in space, Virgin Atlantic. So you know, you get this one go up to $70 easy. Get it. It's no debt. TIO, that's a $100 stock. Tesla is starting to, let's see if it's gonna do anything. It's still going down after hours, but I made good money on Tesla. This is the, you know, VIB, they doing pretty good now. I've got 700 of them. VXRX, let's see what that one. The one, yeah, we're doing good. We're doing the TTO one. That's the one, $1,600. Okay, it's at 15. It dropped down to 15, but guess what? You know, it was 12 on Friday. I got 20,000 of them at 7 cents. It's 15. It then doubled. So let's see. It's got good volume. Let's see if it can get to about 50 cents. Because each time it go up, you know, 7 cents, I get what, $1,600 each time, 7 cents more, 7 cents. So if it goes up to 22 cents, you're gonna see that double. So right now it's at 100%. Okay, previous close at 12. Now it's closed at 15. Okay, I can snatch it out right now, and that's $1,600. I can snatch out Tesla. I can snatch out all these. If I snatch out all of them, you know, I'd have made $1,000 today. Okay. They say trading gain because I did some losers. I did take out some losing stocks, and so far gain. He's talking about 11,000 to date. I just think it's a little more, but they calculate all the losses too. So overall this year, I'm still to the positive by $11,000. I would have to pay taxes on that if I was to take everything out, because I didn't gain. Started off the year with, I started off the year with like 45. You guys were my witness, and now it's up to 64. But I put some more money in the market. I put 5 more thousand, so it's really like 59. So I put some money, and that's what we'll do. So I'm gonna stop sharing. God bless you. God keep you. God cause faith to shine on you. Okay, so we got the little one when she was really, really, really little, and we are going ride this train and see where we go this year. God bless you. God keep you. God cause faith to shine on you, and hopefully, if Lord will, we'll see you Friday. or, you know, next week, whenever this one, whenever, hopefully I can be here on Friday. But if I'm not, I definitely be probably next Monday if the Lord will. So I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna end this right now. Thank you. God bless you. TTOO is the winner. Please take a time to look at that one. I'm not a financial advisor, but this one could be, I think it could be a moneymaker based on that last information. I think we got some more information that's coming down the pipe. If FDA approved their emergency approval, this thing can fly. 6 months ago, it was 10 months. It was $10 a share. Over a year ago, they say it was something like $15 or something like that. Incredible, a difference a year make. So we'll check it out. Keep checking it out. God bless you.